a domestic incident for Inunwa, serving his first game. Fitzpatrick loses the football, bounced around, and it's controlled by New England. Dante Hightower on the recovery, and an early cough up for New York.
Yeah, just a horrible start for the Jets offense. They lose 3 yards on first down when Ivory's trapped in the backfield, and now Fitzpatrick trying to find a running lane out of the pocket here is going to get hit by, right at the bottom of the screen there, it looked like it was Chandler Jones. Ball bounces forward right into the arms of Hightower. Here's Jones working against Ferguson, and both him and Collins converging on Fitzpatrick. Just a terrible start for the Jets.